So we had heard that there's great snorkeling at Puako Bay, so we headed over. It's on the northwest side of the big island of Hawaii. This is more than just a boat ramp that you see when you get there. There's a trail system that takes you to a beach and also a great spot for snorkeling. When you arrive, there's a big parking lot, there's a boat ramp, there's an area to the left of the boat ramp you can snorkel, and then we went over to this right-hand side to snorkel here. So we followed this trail system over to this black sand beach. From the beach, we followed the trail just a little bit farther to this great snorkeling spot. So we got in the water to snorkel and started to explore.
You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. You might be the one